Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I want to show you my secret that I use to make passive income with crypto. For those of you that are in my Telegram group, you already know that I always post these crazy profits, as you can see right here, and this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video to make these crazy profits. As you can see, this is my official Telegram group, Heavy Crypto, and this is where exactly I post pretty much anything about heavy crypto. So if you're already subscribed to this channel, then you know that I always use heavy crypto indicators. So heavy crypto indicator is an indicator that gives you buy and sell signals. As you can see, this is actually a naked chart. There's no any indicator and stuff like that, but then when I apply an indicator like this, it gives me buy and sell signals. So when it says buy like this, I go to Bybit and place a trade, right? When it says buy, I go to Bybit and then place a trade and then go long, meaning that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up like this. And when it says sell, I go to Bybit again and then go short, meaning that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down like this. But not only that, you can actually make money using spot trading. So spot trading is simply buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So let's say you buy low at lower price. Let's say the price of Bitcoin is being traded at this price right here at 5,300, and then this indicator gives you a signal saying that it's time to buy. That's when you should be buying, and then and then later on it's gonna give you a signal to sell. Just like right here, that's when you gotta be selling. Okay, so this indicator pretty much works in futures trading and spot trading as well. So to get this indicator, the link is going to be in the description below as well. But other than that, you're going to be able to join the Alpha group. The Alpha group is a group that I've just created. In Alpha group, I'll be posting signals plus arbitrage opportunities every day. So it's not going to cost you a lot of money, because you're going to get a heavy crypto indicator that's going to guide you throughout your trading career, just like what happened to me. And other than that, you're also gonna be able to receive signals daily for free. These signals gonna be derivative signals, spot trading signals, and arbitrage trading signals. So you're gonna get these 4 things only with heavy crypto indicator. So this indicator that was created long time back for me to to trade these markets and take advantage of these Bitcoin prices and stuff like that. As you can see, these are my trades and stuff like that using heavy crypto indicator. So guys, this indicator, the link is gonna be in the description below, and right now is on discount. You can get a discount and you're gonna be able to join the Alpha group. That's why you're gonna get signals, including arbitrage trading signals and futures trading signals and stuff like that. So it's a really simple indicator. As you can see, it only gives you like buying and selling signals and stuff like that. And you're also gonna get Heavy Crypto Pro. This is another indicator that was created for me as well. For those of you who are in my private group, you already know about this one. So this is Heavy Crypto Pro. As you can see, nothing really different, but then the difference is this one tells you whether we're in an uptrend or downtrend by drawing this line right here. So when you see this line is green, it means that we're in an uptrend, and when you see this line is red, it means that we are in a downtrend. So that's the difference between Heavy Crypto and Heavy Crypto Pro. Right, so this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to share my secret, and if you want to join this Alpha group and get free Heavy Crypto indicator, the link is gonna be in the description below. It's not gonna cost you much. It's only gonna cost you this amount and stuff like that, and you're gonna get access to the Alpha group and get signals for free. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send you the video. Love and peace, my friends.